Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders. Welcome to my 2342nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. This video is for trading on 11/19 Friday, 2021. Traders, we know this is a risky game. If you didn't know that, you should. Trading future stocks, ETFs, options, anything at all. Extremely risky these days. Never ever trade without stops. Put your stops in first, and know you can be wiped out if you don't handle yourselves properly here. But if you do know how to handle yourself, you will put your stops in before you ever even get into a long or short position. So, what are we looking at? The OMNI has flip-flopped again. That is 5 for 5 this week. That's a lot of flip-flopping, and I am telling you, like I mentioned last night, get ready to vacate the area. Now, the OMNI flip-flopping doesn't tell you which way it's going to go. The vacate tells you, and then you follow it with the OMNI. The vacate is OMNI flip-flopping as often as it has it. Flip-flop from red to green every day this week. That means we're going. Which direction? The market will tell us. I think the path of least resistance is up, and I think it will take off to the upside, but we'll let the market tell us that. So for Friday, we have a green signal in E-mini S&P. It was red yesterday. It's been back and forth. OMNI has killed it for us this week with every signal. I think we had maybe one mishap this week, and that was it. Rock and roll almost every day. If we had to trade tomorrow, on Friday, we would probably look to buy a dip in Nasdaq if we were going to trade anything and get filled. In fact, speaking of Nasdaq, let's take a look at that one. Take a look at this chart. Traders, this Nasdaq chart is getting ready to vacate the area as far as I'm concerned. That channel, it's back in the channel that it kept falling out of. Right, now I'll make it gray for a moment. I'll turn it from gray to green for a moment so that you can see it. That channel right there, this big green channel that we were in for a long time, and then the market finally fell out of that channel. And has built a new one. But while it's built this new red one, it's back in that green channel. We've had enough OMNI flip-flopping to tell me we're going to vacate the area, and the path of least resistance is up. So it looks like we would buy dips in Nasdaq if we could get filled for trading on Friday. And remember, traders, Saturday, do not forget, make sure that you sign up for my 3-hour session. It is Saturday, this Saturday, at 10 a.m. through 1 p.m. I will show you tricks, tips, and techniques that I promise you have not seen elsewhere. You can only learn if you were here in person in Las Vegas. I will show them to you on Saturday. All you have to do is register for this 3-hour class. I am going to pull back the curtain. Let me tell you something right now. This analysis I show you in these videos on YouTube, I promise you that is 101 baby food analysis for me. I could do this with my eyes closed in my sleep. What I'm willing to show you is something much more intricate. And I will show that to you on this Saturday. Today's Friday. You got to sign up tonight for tomorrow. It happens Saturday morning, 10 a.m. I will leave the link below this video so that you can find me. So, we're getting ready to vacate the area. Let me show you some great techniques that you can use next week to capture vacating the area. That will happen on Saturday if you join my webinar, I guess you'll call it, and watch the Nasdaq vacate the area. Traders, remember, stops are in, emotions are out. Traders, don't forget the OMNI flip-flopping means we will vacate the area. Get ready to vacate. Good luck, traders.